guys, it's Lily. I just got back from the gym. I also went to Trader Joe's, but I decided that I was gonna make my go-to breakfast that I have been loving and enjoying. It's super easy, it's nutritious, it's full of flavor, it's savory. It is just good. So I'm gonna just walk you through it and inspire you to maybe switch up your breakfast a bit. Let's start off with the eggs. I bought the pasteurized eggs. I have been investing in my eggs, guys. I usually buy the ones from just any of the grocery stores that have them. So Trader Joe's had them, great price, $3.99. And the way that I make my eggs is I get a little pan and I put some boiling water. Once it starts boiling, I put it on high. I will crack my eggs in. I did that with one hand. It was a fail. Let me get the other one in. But once it starts boiling, I cover it and then move this guy over to low. I'm telling you, all you need for the salad is that, the combination of the blueberry, the lemon, the olive oil, the sea salt. It is so good. And what I like to do is I'll grab a little bit of that egg and I'll cut a little off. Ooh, I like it medium hard, a little bit of runniness. And I will just put that on the avocado and take a bite. Know if you make this delicious breakfast. Tag me on Instagram, not fat not skinny. And if you want to see more recipes, also comment it below. I am coming back to YouTube and I want to know what you want to see. Do you want to see food? Do you want to see fitness? Do you want to see lifestyle, mommy stuff? Whatever it is, leave it in the comments below. Bye guys.